Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Today SamPal20 is proud to present a super duper easy recipe. We are making queso fresco or cuajada from scratch, so let's begin. So as you can see, I have here 2 liters of fresh full fat milk. We actually milked a cow earlier this morning, so this milk is straight from the farm. So I've placed my 2 liters in a big pot, and as you can see, this milk has started to form like a thick layer of cream on top. We are actually going to scoop this out and we're going to make a quick crema salvadoreña. I'm going to add the thick cream that has formed, or la natilla, to a bowl, and I'm going to add a good pinch of salt. I'm going to mix this up very well and refrigerate. And voila, we have our quick crema that we could have con frijolitos, con platanitos. Oh my god, my mouth waters. So heading back to my milk, I am now going to turn on the stove and I'm going to bring these 2 liters of milk to a quick simmer. I do not want it to boil. Once I see little bubbles starting to form, I immediately turn it off. I am now going to add 1 cup of white vinegar, and then I'm going to cover my milk and let it stand for 45 minutes. After that time, you should see this separation of el suero from the cheese. As you can see here, I am now going to drain my cheese into a big colander. We just want to separate all of that. Look at that beautiful cheese on the bottom. Oh my goodness. And once we've done that, we are gently going to press out all of that moisture, all of that liquid. We just want to make sure that we end up with la cuajada and little to no moisture at all. I ended up transferring it to a fine mesh strainer, and I'm going to continue to pressure, continue to push downwards to make sure all that liquid I separate it from the cheese. You can also use a cheesecloth, but I didn't have that, so I'm using the fine mesh strainer. Now here, as you can see, I'm going to add the salt. The salt is up to you, how you would like it. And I'm going to give this a very, very vigorous mix. I want to make sure that everything is nicely incorporated, that I don't have sides that are more salty than others. And now the last part. I'm going to take my cheese and mold it into little cuajadas so you could see their elongated forms. And I'm going to place this on top of a banana leaf. Voila, our delicious queso fresco. You could eat this right away, or you can refrigerate it and eat it later. You could have this con tortillas, con frijolitos, whichever way you like. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also follow us on Instagram at san.pal20. Bye-bye.